What if I told you there's a sound that only some people can hear, and no one fully understands why? Around the world, thousands of people report hearing a low, constant hum. It's not loud, it's not sharp, it's just there. A deep vibration, like an engine running far away. They call it the hum. Here's where it gets strange. In many cases, audio equipment can't clearly detect it. Neighbors don't hear it. Family members don't hear it. But the person hearing it insists it's real. Some scientists believe it may be caused by low-frequency industrial noise, things like factories or distant machinery. Others think it could be something inside the human ear itself. But there's a problem. The hum has been reported in quiet, rural towns, far from industry. So what are these people hearing? Is it environmental? Is it neurological? Or is it proof that human perception isn't as reliable as we think? And here's the real question. If you suddenly started hearing it tonight, would you know whether it's coming from outside or from your own mind? If mysteries like this make you think twice, subscribe and step deeper into the unknown.